The coronavirus pandemic brought the chain of need, research, production and use in sync. All the science and research institutes of the country were directly connected to the need of the hour and provided quick solutions to several unique problems. Durgapur-based Central Mechanical Engineering Research Institute of the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research has been at the forefront of the war against coronavirus and has been constantly working to find solutions. Its work includes the development of many useful technologies, right from sanitization systems to oxygen enrichment units. In view of the increased need for oxygen during the second wave of the COVID pandemic, CMERI's oxygen enrichment technology proved to be a stellar solution. At a webinar organized by the Indian Chest Society recently on the topic, The Element of Hope in the COVID Era, Oxygen, the country's leading pulmonologists described CMERI's technology as made in India and made for India.
When we studied, we found an oxygen concentrator providing oxygen level more than 90% for the first few hours. After that, the performance deteriorated. Another thing what we found that oxygen concentrator, even though they are 5 LPM or 10 LPM, if you take oxygen more than or flow rate more than that, they don't function. And we developed the product which can provide 90% plus oxygen at a 5 LPM, 10 LPM or 15 LPM. Now, what are the comparison? We can say 5 LPM oxygen concentrator which works continuously, that is 24/7, can replace jumbo cylinder even in one day.
The indigenously developed Oxygen Enrichment Unit works on the principle of pressure swing adsorption and utilizes zeolite columns to selectively remove nitrogen from air under certain pressure, thereby increasing the oxygen concentration. The Oxygen Enrichment Unit has an outflow at 93% oxygen concentration level and is capable of delivering up to 30 LPM oxygen enriched air. An advanced oxygen enrichment unit is also being worked out for rural hospitals with independent flow rate and fraction of inspired oxygen controls. These devices can also trap and reuse the oxygen lost during high-flow oxygen therapy, which will significantly reduce the oxygen load.
So this is important contribution of CSIR-CMERI. If you have heard the name of oxygen or high flow nasal cannula therapy, which requires enormous oxygen in a hospital, there our 15 LPM oxygen enrichment unit can be attached to every bed. It can save oxygen requirement up to 66%. Moreover, whatever the developed technology, which is indigenously developed technology, it can really be manufactured or can be manufactured by MSME. So it reduces import.
These devices are designed in such a way that they can be manufactured by small and medium-scale industries. The technology has already been transferred to several industries. Now, CMERI is working on an advanced oxygen mask technology that will provide protection against viral load transmission. The Central Mechanical Engineering Research Institute of CSIR has been continuously working on developing public utility solutions, and its expertise has come in handy during the COVID pandemic.